Hey guys, how's it going? How to get Metamask by BNB and register on Gainspad or Gainspad. So here's a concise guide to getting Metamask, buying BNB and registering Gainspad. First of all, install the Metamask if you have it on your app store or official website. Create a wallet, and by creating a wallet you can buy a BNB, right? Use a cryptocurrency exchange, sign up on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports BNB, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and then deposit your local currency or any other cryptocurrency into your exchange account, and then go to the trading section, find BNB and execute a buy order for the amount that you want, and then open the Metamask, copy your BNB wallet address, and transfer the purchased BNB from your exchange account to your Metamask wallet address. And then first of all, the third step is to visit Gainspad, right? And then what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and register your account or sign up, and then your account, and then connect your Metamask wallet by clicking the connect wallet button on the Gainspad platform. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, and then follow any additional instructions on Gainspad to complete your registration. That might include verifying your email or completing KYC, know your customer procedures if required. And by following these steps, you will have set up Metamask, purchased BNB, and then registered on Gainspad. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.